the theater of magic.
All right, Papa got a new game. What did you get, mister?
We got a Thunderball James Bond 007.
Pretty awesome.
Super nice game.
I'm in love with it.
Oh yeah, it is so fun.
But one issue.
One issue, we want to show it on the...
Yeah, we talked to our Stern distributor about this to see, and he said he's heard of the issue here.
What do we do it on? Adjustments?
Diagnostics.
Oh, diagnostics, okay.
Go to Diagnostics 007 game.
Oh, 007
left
game.
to.
And then go to the
Jetpack. And then you go one over to Jetpack Calibration. Jetpack motor calibration.
And you hit
now watch
that.
what our little, but you gotta pull your pin out.
Okay.
Yep. Now watch what our little buddy. You can go for it, James.
Finding home.
Finding home position.
You can hear it still running. It's pinned. Boom, runs into that, and it's still trying to run.
Going home.
And it says error.
Error. Position 1. Range 47 to 51. Range error.
Yeah. So
just
don't
wanted
know
to do
how
a
many
quick
people have
video.
that problem.
Yeah, just to show this error and what Trent said up in Ohio. Our distributor buddy said that he talked with Stern today about it. Well, you know, he told you. So what did he say exactly?
That hopefully it'll get addressed by Stern.
No, you said that it'll be fixed in updated codes.
Yeah, but it's not fixed yet. Hopefully it's going to get fixed.
Yeah, gotcha. But it's nothing wrong with your game necessarily. Yeah. And I'm thinking there's got to be something to do with the action button. So we're on, what is it, 0.080 code?
Yeah, I
so
believe
we're running.
so.
Yeah, back it out.
Now, another thing.
Oh, it didn't go to the code. When you enter the logistics, there it is. Oh, system version 080 right there.
Yeah, 080. Now, what ours does that I noticed in the game, that's why we went to calibration, is he'll pick up a ball, he'll come over, and he's off to, I guess, the passenger side or the left side looking at it with the ball, and then he kind of barely goes there, and then over here, and then over there. And when he drops the ball, it kind of bounces off the fender. And it needs to hit that switch in the middle. So we thought, well, maybe we need to adjust it.
Yeah.
But the calibration won't let you. So definitely something they're going to have to address.
Yep. But don't return your game just quite yet. It'll be fixed. But we've played, how many games do we have on this now? 36?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I thought it was 36. You looked.
No, I didn't think it was that many.
Because I guessed 50 and I thought it was 30 something.
And it's great to get your wallet from Stern. It automatically puts you up. Where's your phone?
Oh, there it is. Sorry, it's a little cold in Florida. I got some sniffles.
Oh, golly.
Ba-ding.
And it comes up with him for Clark's place. So, and then we play, and if you're going to play again, if you have it on free play, you just hit the button on top, boom, put you both in again.
Yep, very cool.
It is great.
Glad to sell you on it. All right, time to play some games. Bye-bye. Any last words?
Hope I beat you.
Oh, yeah, all right. Okay, bye-bye.